Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are safe. I am Ami Shah and today I have come to teach you maths. In previous session, you learned pre-number concept of big, small. Today I will teach you pre-number concept in maths of front, back. So shall we start?
Now look at this picture. Wow, what can you see? You can see a car, you can see a boy, you can see tall buildings. Can you see? Now I'll explain you front and back. See, this is the back side of the car. Now see the green arrow. It is the front side of the car. See, I have circled the boy. It is the back side of the boy. Now, the front side of the boy. See, a pink arrow. It is the back side of the signboard. Now, another arrow. It is the front side of the signboard. Did you understand?
Front of my hand, back of my hand. Front, back. Wow! Red color car. Front side of the car. Back side of the car. Front side of the car. Back side of the car. Front side of the TV remote. And back side of the TV remote. Front side of the mobile. Back side of the mobile. Wow, cute doll. Front side of the doll. What can you see? You can see her eyes. You can see her nose. You can see her hair. You can see her hands. Front side of the doll. Now, back side of the doll. Kids, let's watch an exciting video of front and back.
Hi there! Today, let us learn about two new words, front and back. Friends, take a look at this beautiful school. It has two school buses. Look at this school bus. This is the front view of the school bus. Now look at this school bus. This is the back view of the school bus. This is the front and that is the back view of the school bus. There are many children going to the school. Look at these children waving their hands. See this hand? This is the front side of the hand. And now look at this hand. This is the back side of the hand. This is the front and that is the back side of the hand. Now take a look at the two benches near the tree. See this bench? This is the front side of the bench. Now look at this bench. This is the back side of the bench. This is the front and that is the back side of the bench. Oh, I can also see signboards near the school. This is the front side of the signboard. And now see the signboard? This is the back side of the signboard. This is the front And that is the back side of the signboard. Hey, look at those two boys running over there. Both have books in their hands. Look at this book. This is the front cover of the book. Now look at this book. This is the back cover of the book. This is the front and that is the back cover of the book.
Kids, enjoyed watching the video? I'm sure you have understood the concept of front and back.